Hi everyone, I'm Laura. This is part 2 of our beginner series about phonics. If you missed our first video where I talk about single letter sounds, please click on the link in the description down below. Today we will move on to two consonant sounds. Now these are not phonics per se, as they are basically a combination of two single consonant sounds, but they're usually taught to beginners as an introduction to more complex phonics, which will be the topic of our next video. This series is especially useful if you're struggling with the pronunciation of R and L. Let's take a look. Bl, bl, black, blue. The black cat sat on the blue mat. Br, br, bread, brush. I brush my hair every morning. Fr, fr, fruit, friend. Fruit is a healthy snack. Fl, fl, flower, flute. I play the flute in music class. Pr, pr, princess, present. She got a present for her birthday. Pl, pl, please, plate. Please bring me a plate. Gr, gr, grass, green. The grass is green in the spring. Gl, gl, glad, glass. I start the day with a glass of water. Cr, cr, crow, crayon. The toddler draws with his crayons. Cl, cl, clock, class. He is often late for class. Tr, tr, train, triangle. They take a train to work. Dr, dr, drink, dress. This dress is expensive. Sl, sl, sleep, slow. Turtles are slow animals. Sp, sp, spoon, spider. I use a spoon to eat yogurt. St, st, study, stop. The car stops at the red light. Sn, sn, snack, snowman. It's snowing. Let's make a snowman. Sw, sw, sweet, swim. We can swim very fast. Remember that learning phonics without practicing is not going to get you very far. As a reference, it is recommended for children to spend at least 15 to 30 minutes daily reading books consistent with their developing phonic knowledge.
In each step, So, water cycle, do you know? Water cycle, this is water cycle.
So if you're a parent or teacher, I highly recommend using an app that we use every day at our school, which is called Epic. The kids love it. Epic is a subscription-based reading app aimed at kids aged 2 to 12. It provides access to an extensive library of tens of thousands of high-quality books, audiobooks, videos that you can use with a variety of devices. You can use the paid plan for unlimited access to the library or use the free version with a 2-hour limit on reading time per week. The cool thing about Epic is that you can select your books based on age and reading level. You can actually select different leveling systems, which makes it so much better than picking a random book at the store. They have so many topics to choose from, I guarantee your kids will not get bored. I will include the link in the description below and I highly recommend you check it out. That is it for today. Keep practicing. I will see you in the next video where I will talk about long vowel sounds and complex consonant phonics. Thank you for watching.